Hello friends, welcome to Ekeeda. Title of the lecture is Causing of Switching Surges over Voltages. See, due to lightning, overvoltage is there. But the question is, the operation of circuit breaker produces a transient overvoltage. Transient overvoltage. However, the concept of switching should not be limited only to the international actions of opening and closing circuit breaker and switches, but may also include arcing faults and even lightning. So the concept of switching should not be limited only the opening and closing of circuit breaker and switches, but may also include arcing fault and even lightning. So the causes of switching surge over voltage, the causes of switching surges over voltage can be summarized. First cause, normal line energizing or de-energizing. Second cause, high speed line reclosing is the one of the cause of switching surge over voltage. High speed line reclosing. Third one is switching cable circuit, capacitor banks and shunt reactors are the cause of switching surge over voltage. Next cause, load rejection. Then next cause, out of phase switching. Another cause, reinsertion of series capacitors. See, series capacitors may high tension lines, sometimes 132 kV or above, they use series capacitors. Next, circuit breaker restriking. And last, current chopping. So these are the causes of switching surge over voltage. Whereas 50 Hz voltage are caused by abnormal condition. For example of these conditions are abnormal condition, voltage on the unfaulted phase during a phase to ground fault. Next one, suppose a phase ground fault has happened, then what are the voltages on your unfaulted phase? Next is the load rejection. Next one is the open end of long energized line, which is also known as Ferranti effect, where sending end voltage is less than the receiving end voltage, means receiving end voltage is greater than the sending end voltage. And last one is the ferro resonance. Thank you.